Hello, good evening. Greetings from Mointech 404. Today we will learn a very interesting features of Google Sheet named Checkbox. This is actually the level 2. Yesterday we have learned about the VLOOKUP with images, Google Translate, white, white fields removal, then and many other primary things. Now is the level 2 tutorial. So here we will learn something very interesting. Our main topic is today is checkbox in Google Sheet, and what we can do with Google Sheet checkbox in Google Sheet I will explain in this video. Actually, through this checkbox, we can track our daily work progress or our project progress or our improvement scopes. Okay, so I think the entire video will be very interesting. Please keep watching without skipping, and hopeful I am very much confident that you will get benefited from this tutorial. So let's start. To minimize the time, to limitations of time, I have prepared some data, some formats here. I will just put it the formulas and the ways how can you work as your ways. Okay. So first of all, I want to say that you have a daily work plan. Okay. When you enter in your office, you open up your diaries and get found some tasks to-do list. In to-do list, you have found that you have major 5 works to be done by today. Today, okay. So, how can you measure after the end of the day? 5 simultaneous work you have to done, okay, and you have to measure how many of them are truly completed or how many are really pending. So you have to carry forward for tomorrow, right? So there is formulas, there are some ways to make your life easy, and it comes from Google Sheet. It's called checkbox. So how it works? Let's see. First of all, I have write down my task list here in group column number 1 and status at column B. So first of all, what we have done, we select the column B. There is two way to insert the checkbox. Number 1, insert and checkbox. Very easy, but there is difficulties. You can write anything here. So the data is not protected. So what we have to done? We have to done this very easily through data validation. Okay, select a cell, go to data validation, criteria, list from a range, and select here the checkbox and reject inbox. Click on reject inbox and save it. Done. Now you can write only tick mark, nothing else. You can do nothing else. So what happened? There was a problem. Your data is, you see, you can do nothing with this. Okay. So what's next? I have inputted the checkboxes. So what are the uses of this checkbox? Checkbox. Okay. Checkbox. So I will go to tasks, select the tasks, and go to format, then conditional formatting. I had previously a format. Okay, that's why it was troubling. See what happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Okay, only just tick mark. Okay. First of all, we have to do select column A. Now go to the format cell. Format. Now conditional formatting. Add another formula. Apply the range. A1 to A6 is okay, fine. And then formula rules. Is no empty. Click here. Just put it down and custom formula is. So you have to put a formula here. So what was your formula? A1 to A6 and here should be B1 to B6 equal to B1 to B6. Okay, done. Now there is an option called strike throw. Click on that. Strike throw. If you want to change the color, you have options. I choose orange. Okay, then done. So let's see what happened. If I click down, it goes, 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 goes. If the works are done, the it will highlight it. See, highlighted. If not done, not highlighted. If done, highlighted. Okay. Maybe I was practice someone somewhere else, and there was the issues. Orange color is not showing here, or just the basic formula is that. So what happened next? Suppose at the morning you have a meeting. After meeting you tick here, means your work is done. After lunch you have time to review your budget, is done. Okay, but your daily report analysis is not yet done. So you what is the outcome from this status bar, right? So I have a dashboard, little dashboard, the total work, how many work you have today. There is a simple formula, count a. I have a count a already is there, so I have 5 tasks for day. What I have completed, whatever I have completed, for this we have to inputs count if s formula. Count if, follow me here, okay, count if s formula, then select this bar. Okay, now criteria, they are asking me the criteria. The criteria is true, that means I have done it. I have done only two tasks. Really? Yes, it's 2 tasks. Then how many tasks I have pending? For this, you have nothing to do. We apply the same formula with few changes. count effects. Again, select this. Now it will be false because I didn't work this. What happened? Okay, let me write again. Count if s select the column, comma, false. Okay, you have three tasks pending. Okay, so if we percentage this, we can find out actually what you did today. Total task completed. This is simply divided by the total work by total work. Sorry. My laptop is no. You have completed 2 divided by 5. Okay, insert. If that is 40% work you have done today. Sorry, done today. You can show it by percentage formula. Here is 40%. Similarly, how many work you have pending today? You have 3 divided by 5. 60% work you didn't work today. Percentage. So this is the magic of checkbox. What happened now? If after watching this scenario, if you think that your task completed is very low, your day becoming the unproductive, you have to work something extra, then you go to your task list and choose a work that you can complete by today. So what happened? You choose put you may prepare the product manual. Okay, you have done it and see it's dynamically changed. Isn't it interesting? Yeah. If you done everything, what happened? Just completed 100%. This is our dream in work, right? So I think you all understand how the checklist works, right? How the checklist work, you all are understanding. So please do practice and use it in your workplace. Now we have another exercise which called work progress. Oh, many of us is handle or work with lots of projects over the year, over the month, over the week. So it's very difficult to track down their progress. There are Gantt charts, there are many notes, mobile notes, hand notes, etc. But Google Sheet gives you a excellent solution with just the checkbox. Do you want to say this? Okay, I'm showing you this. Just let's think you have 6 projects in hand. What you have to done for the 6 project? You have to done technical feasibility, market feasibility, project proposal, costing, business plan, and launching. This is just a thematical words, right? You understand? There are maybe lots of hundreds of words related to a project. I just gave you an example. Okay. So what we should do first? We do first select the project 1 to 6, saying data, data validations, what we should do, and checkbox, and the reject input. Okay, the checkbox are created. The checkbox are created. Now, the interesting part is coming up. What is this? Through this checkbox, we can see, we can check it, check in. But what I understand from this? Nothing. But if I apply a formula here, the scenery will completely change. Do you want to say? Okay, I will show you. The formula is called the spark line. You may hear this. Spark line. Spark line formula. If this is the if you can see this the formula here, you can follow the formula here. Okay. So first of all, you have to count data from where the data is. From where the data is. First, you have to write down the count if. Then we have to close the bracket. Now we have to select the range. Now I want to see the true result. Okay. Now close the first bracket. Write down the comma. Now if this is true, what I want a chart. I want a chart. So what I should have to done? A second bracket have to incorporate. I want chart, so I write down the chart name. Type. Chart type. So what type of chart I want? I want a bar chart. I want a bar chart. I write down here the bar chart. Now semicolon. How many max cell is there? Checkbox is there. How many checkboxes there in a row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have to write down the 6 here. Now I have to close down the second bracket and now the first bracket. Now I have to enter. Oh, what happened? Formula error. What? Sparkline, the formula is okay. Count if it's okay. The okay. Let me check why the formula is error. Chart type. See a chart type. Comma is bar. It says actually what is the point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why? Let me check down. Okay, then let me write down again the formula. No problem. I will solve this. The formula is spark line. Spark line. Then I have to input count if. Count if. Now I have to select this. Okay, I have select this. Now I want this to true value. True value. Okay, nice. Then I close the bracket. Then comma. Then I want incorporate the second bracket. What type of chart? Chart. type close, comma, bar. I want bar chart. Oh yeah, bar chart. Here is will be the comma. Then the semicolon. Then the max value. Again the max value. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 6, comma 6, comma 6. Now I have to close down the all brackets. What happened? Yeah, it's done. You just put down. Now let's think. You have did nothing, nothing, nothing. No progress is showing here. For project one, you did the project technical feasibility. Progress was little bit high, a little bit showing. For project two, project one, you have done the technical feasibility, market feasibility, and project proposal too. Then the progress is high. For project two, you have done the project feasibility, market feasibility. Okay, but uh, in project one, you have also done the in you are ahead from other projects. Okay, it's just the examples how it works. In project two, you have done two. In project one, you have done two. In project one, you done one only. In project six, you done one only. How is it? Isn't it interesting? Hope you enjoyed the total tutorial. If you like my tutorial, please thumbs up on the subscription button, like button, and share to your friends, families, and colleagues. So goodbye for today. See you tomorrow with something new.